Yeah, it could be.
I'm a ghost in the garden.
There's room for 5 goats at the same time on there.
Scaring the crows. If it weren't for second chances, we'd all be alone. I'm running from nothing, no thoughts in my mind. All my heart was all black, but I saw something shine. Thought that heart was yours, that it might just be mine. I could share it with you if you gave me time. I'm all blood and knuckles, longing for home. If it weren't for second chances, we'd all